My favorite chess game. I do love to play different games with my kids and with my family, and this one is my favorite. We do play with it almost every day. That is how it looks. There are 30 special magnetic balls, and the rules are very easy to follow. I always take it with me if we go vacation, if we go road trip, and it is perfect for any party, for any gatherings. I love it a lot, and I usually just divide all the balls between players, and each player just starts to place balls on the board. And it is very sticky because it is magnetic, so it is so much fun to play. Even for adults, I love to play it with my husband, and we enjoy it so much. And I love that it is very lightweight. You can tell that the material is amazing, and I always take it with me if I go travel, road trip. It keeps my kids busy and entertained. It is so much fun, and I think it is a great present idea for your friends and family, and it is must have for the house. And the game is very fast, so it doesn't take a lot of times. But I play different games with my family. This one is must have for the house.